In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send dashboard reports by email in Monday. Com. Open Monday. Come in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click the workspace that contains the board connected to your dashboard. After that, select a dashboard you want to send automatically by email. Make sure you're on the correct dashboard before moving on, since the report that gets exported will come from this exact view. Now go to the upper right corner of the dashboard and click Export. From the drop-down menu, choose Schedule PDF Export. This opens the scheduling window where you'll set everything up, including who receives the report, what the email says, and when it should be sent out. At the top of this window, click into the To field. Type your recipient's email address, then press Enter to confirm it. If you need to send the same dashboard report to more than one person, keep adding each email one at a time the same way. Monday.com lets you include up to 50 recipients here, and those recipients do not need their own Monday.com account. They'll simply receive the PDF report directly in their inbox, which makes this useful for clients, managers, or anyone who just needs the snapshot. Next, click into the Subject field and type Weekly Marketing Dashboard Report. Keep the subject clear and descriptive so the recipient immediately knows what the email contains when it arrives. Then, click into the Message field below and type, "Here's this week's Marketing Dashboard Snapshot." This message is optional, but it adds a nice bit of context and makes the email feel more complete instead of just sending an attachment with no explanation. After that, open the frequency dropdown and select Weekly. Then choose the day you want the report to go out. For this example, select Monday. Now set the delivery time to 9 a.m. This means Monday.com will generate the export on that schedule, and the email usually arrives within about 30 minutes. So it's helpful to keep that slight delay in mind if you're timing reports around meetings or updates. If you want, this is also the point where you can customize the PDF layout using the optional settings in the same scheduling area. That can help the exported report look cleaner or better suited for the people receiving it. Once everything looks right, click Schedule to activate the recurring export. And that's it. Your dashboard report will now be sent automatically by email on the schedule you chose. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick final tip. Before you close the window, give the recipient list, subject line, and schedule one last review. A short double check here can save you from sending the right report to the wrong person or at the wrong time.